These are the incentives for economic zone locators. First is the income tax holiday. It could be 4 years and extendable for another 4 years, which is or a maximum of 8 years. The extension could be dependent on some criteria. One criterion is equivalent to 1 year extension. If the company will satisfy one criterion, they will be given another income tax holiday. After the income tax holiday period, they will pay the special 5% tax on gross income in lieu of all national and local taxes. Meaning, the company registered under PEZA will no longer pay other taxes aside from the special 5% tax on gross income. Normally, corporate income tax here in the Philippines is 35% now, based on the income. But this one based on gross income. Of course, there will be exemption from taxes and duties, whatever the company will import, whether it is a capital equipment, raw materials, supplies, etc. We also allow 30% of the total sales to be sold locally to domestic market. Also, aside from taxes and duties, all importation are also exempted from other duties, wharfage, impost, and other fees. Likewise, the cost of manpower training, if ever the company will send some workers to Japan or Korea, for example, 50% of that expenses can still be deducted in computing the gross income. 50% of that. And our foreign investors enjoys permanent resident status under the special immigration visa. Also, we do allow employment foreign nationals, although with certain limit. And we have simplified import and export procedures. And there could be some other incentives as may be determined by our board in the future.